Car accident injury victims are being contacted right after their accident by criminals illegally soliciting them in violation of Florida law. A stranger calls or texts you immediately after your car accident, they may be committing a crime. Do not speak to them and do not give them your personal information. You're supposed to find your lawyer, not the other way around. Call me right after your car accident, so I won't be calling you. 1-800-602-5000.
Nangasang sa birthday. Pag nag-cravings kayo ng matamis, na maasim, na crunchy, perfecto.
Sandra, this was a major escalation of the many
So good.
anti-Israel protests we've seen here, given that the protesters directly targeted one of LA's best-known Jewish neighborhoods and tried to stop residents there from entering a